how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to create a listener or a consumer for the Kafka application. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip: are you in a hurry to learn Kafka? Well, I have good news for all who want to understand the fundamentals of Kafka. Check out the Udemy course link in description, and you can access all Kafka training videos in just one click. Let's get started. Open Kafka project in Eclipse IDE. Let's write the listener code. Add @service annotation on the Kafka listener class and import it. Now add a topic to the listener from where it will consume the messages. To do so, add a method listen to Kafka topic and pass string message to it. Add @Kafka listener annotation on the top of this method. Pass topics as Kafka topic. And group ID as Kafka group inside the annotation. Add a sysout inside the method to print the message received. Okay, but we are getting an error on the annotation. Let's add the import. Still not recognized? Oh, my bad. We need to change the class name, as class name cannot be same as the class imported. So rename the classes to My Kafka Listener and My Kafka Producer. Right click on the class, refactor, rename, enter the new name and click on finish. So we have successfully created a listener for the Kafka application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.